Welcome back to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making something smoky, spicy and absolutely delicious Chicken Seekh Kebab. Perfect for evening snacks, barbecue nights or when you just want something special without much fuss. Take 2 chicken breasts and cut the chicken breast into long thin strips. Use boneless chicken breast or thigh for a tender result. Seekh kebabs originated in the royal kitchens of the Mughal Empire. Traditionally, they are grilled over charcoal, but pan frying works great at home. The name Seekh refers to the skewer used to cook them. Add them to a bowl. Now season with half teaspoon salt, a pinch of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. This step helps tenderize the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon Tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now take 1/4 cup fried onions and 2 tablespoons of water and blend into a smooth paste. Pour the fried onion paste back into the bowl. Add 1/4 cup whisked curd and mix everything well. Yogurt in the marinade helps digestion and adds calcium. Chicken is a lean protein that helps build muscles and keeps you full longer. Cover and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marination, drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil and give it one final mix. Marinating longer makes the flavor more intense. Take some wooden skewers and soak them in water. This prevents them from burning. Now skewer the chicken strips one by one. Homemade kebabs let you control the spice and oil levels. Brush some oil on a grill pan and place the kebabs. Fry them in low to medium heat until golden brown and beautifully cooked. You can even bake or air fry these kebabs for a healthier twist. That's it, juicy, flavorful Chicken Seekh Kebabs ready to serve. And just like that, a restaurant-style Chicken Seekh Kebab made right in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more exciting recipes. Tell us what's your favorite kebabs to make at home. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling and stay deliciously inspired with Innoven Foods.